Having the chicken asado mami. Good morning, guys. So today we're going to Cavite and we're going to check out a car that we might get. We just made it over to where my dad grew up here in Cavite, Rosario. It's pretty cool to see my dad talking to his older brother and just kind of bonding. So this is a car right here, but no luck, my uncle has to use it. This is basically the property that my dad kind of grew up in. It looks different now. They've been doing some renovations here for how long now, Dad?
2 years.
Plus the property looks really nice now. So my dad's asking directions over there. So Dad, you know where you're going now? This is the street where my dad grew up, but he hasn't been here in a while.
Oh man,
so,
this is civilized before when comparing what I started here when I was a kid.
Yeah, so this is civilized. Back then the streets were not paved. More than half of these houses weren't even here. Things have changed since he's been a little kid.
Buko drinks.
Buko juice.
Buko juice. 10 pesos a glass.
So we're visiting and paying our respects right now. Just looking for the mausoleum. We found my Lolo and Lola's mausoleo right there. Right there is where my Lolo and Lola on my dad's side is buried in the mausoleo right there, right behind me.
Hi Mom, hi Dad. Thank you for raising me up. Thank you for telling me to join the
Military.
To join the Navy. Without my father, I won't be the way I am now. Of course, my mother too. Yeah. My mother is so loving, like all mother.
Now we're going back to Parañaque. So we're finally riding on the baby bus back to Baclaran from Cavite. I've always wanted to ride on a bus like this, so today's the day. Yeah, we just got out of the movie. We were watching Robin Hood.
They are serving free popcorn.
Oh, free popcorn, yeah. Now we're gonna have some coffee, so we'll see you guys later. You ready to try Kuya J's halo halo?
I think no doubt about it. No doubt about it, son. Already see, you are right. Might be good for you, but maybe not for me.
Thank you Kuya and sa family mo dahil kahit pa paano. And thank you po sa jamming. Thank you po sa gift na binigay mo po sa akin. Thanks. Bye.
Tonight we're going to Shakey's. Well, we're actually at Shakey's right now. Tomorrow is our last day here in the Philippines, so we're taking the family out to dinner. We're gonna have chicken wings, pizza. My parents and I are going back to the U.S. Tomorrow, and we're gonna spend the holidays with my daughter Lauren.
To whom are you talking?
Right here. That's my auntie right there. Here, say hi, come here. Here.
This is my son.
Let me show you everyone else, okay?
Family is get together with love. Because you're here. I'm free.
Loved ones. Yun lang po. Philippines. I love Filipinos.
I love Philippines because I was born here. And Philippines is a nice country.
I think everyone is finishing up right now, but I am stuffed. Packing up for the US right now. We're about to head out to the airport. Bye-bye, Philippines.
Bye-bye.
I'll be back in January. We are at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We are on our way back to the USA. We're going to be spending the holidays with my daughter Lauren in Florida. So we're working our way there. We are going to China, LAX, and then Las Vegas. And then we have a 2 to 3 day road trip from Las Vegas back to Florida. Slowly but surely make it down to Orlando to spend the holidays finally with my daughter Lauren. Here's the challenge here, okay? I have 80 pesos, 20, 40, 60, 80. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to try to see what I can get for 80 pesos. I went to this place called Bluesmith, and if you guys have been to this airport, you guys know what it is. It's kind of this like fancy smancy like coffee shop. Well, anyways, I took my 80 pesos there and I couldn't get anything. I saw something over here, if you can point it right. Down that little hallway there, I found an empanada for 65 pesos. Maybe I can get a drink or something. Remember I told you that I had 80 pesos, right? I can't even afford a bottle of water. I can get a hot dog for 30 pesos, a pandy chicken tasty for 30 pesos, and then a luncheon meat. So I have this, and this. I have 5 pesos left.
But are you Filipino?
Yes, I'm Filipino, yeah. Philam, yeah. So,
My name is Ruby.
yeah.
Hi.
So she's gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel,
Yeah,
so maybe
of
you
course,
should
I
too.
will.
Dad gets the luncheon meat. My mom wants a hot dog. Here you go. And I get the chicken. Bon appetit, guys. To Changsha. So we're at Changsha. We actually have a layover for about 13 hours. So right now I'm gonna try to go to this place called the Sleeping Room or something like that. We have these capsule rooms and they're only like $18.75. And there's a business area space that I'll show you guys, and that's where I'm gonna be doing some work while I'm here. This is the work area right here. If you stay in the capsule room, you have access to this room here for free. So this is where I'm going to be actually working while my parents are sleeping. Sleeping area. Oh, and lockers are included. Close it. There, see the light? Okay. You got plugs in there. Okay. All right, good night, guys. We're still at Changsha, China here. Some of the challenges that we've been having here is just paying for our own meals. I don't know if you're familiar with WeChat, but they use WeChat. If you are thinking about coming to China, and I'm not even sure if this is all over China, but I know it is in some places in Shanghai and Changsha where we're at right now. WeChat is kind of like the Facebook of China. They use it for everything. There's this little QR code on their WeChat, and so they use that to pay for everything from meals to whatever. And so that's something that we didn't have. A lot of the places here in the airport don't even take credit cards, and so they only take cash or the barcode. Just a little tip, if you ever plan on coming to China, maybe set up your WeChat account and connect it to your bank account. That way you can eat. English is not really a wide-spoken language here. Even the tourism desk didn't even know how to speak English, so they couldn't even help me. We're here for a couple more hours and then we're gonna head out to LA.